What if I tell you this tablet is amazing but stylus might disappoint you? So after my last video, I saw so many of your comments like this. There were literally more than 300 comments. But also YouTube is only showing me the recent ones right now. So if I didn't reply you, I promise मैंने ignore नहीं किए आपके comments. I'm not just able to see all of them. So I picked the most asked ones and here's my honest experience. If you are planning to buy this tablet, watch this first. First, tablet itself. So tablet, I would say I love it. Like it's around 1 year I bought this tablet and आज तक tablet lag नहीं हुआ, hang नहीं हुआ. I'm so happy with this. Perfect for students. Like watching lectures, studying, editing for content creators. Everything works really well. Battery, honestly, it's one of my favorite parts. Like if you charge it in the morning, like once in a day if you charge it, you don't have to charge it again for editing, watching lectures, studying and all. So मतलब मैं अगर पूरा दिन भी इसे यूज़ करूँ, still the battery stays till night, so I don't have to charge it again and again. A lot of you ask about heating, so there are no heating issues. मतलब बिल्कुल भी हीट नहीं होता क्योंकि ये जो इसका कवर है इट्स हीट रेजिस्टेंट एंड ये टैबलेट को हीट होने से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. सो ऑनेस्टली नो मेजर इश्यूज. I've used it for long hours and trust me, it still stays pretty normal. So I would actually recommend you this cover. You should buy this if you have this tablet. About the cover, so ये जो cover है it's 10 on 10 because it's heat resistant as I said. ये जो इसकी अंदर की layer है you can see it makes it's heat resistant and ये protect करता है. And here it's written like well begun is half done. So yeah, this cover is 10 on 10. So you asked me about the price of the tablet, stylus and cover and all. So it changes. So मुझे जिस प्राइस में मिला हो सकता है अब आपको कम रेट में मिले और टैबलेट जो है आपको मैंने जो प्राइस में लिया था उससे कम प्राइस में मिलेगा. मोस्ट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन इज stylus. I'll be honest, it's not very satisfying. Like I'm not very satisfied with this. With writing, it literally stops in between. Like I write, it stops, then again, then stops. Like oh my god. Like when you're writing something, when you're making notes, it's very irritating when this happens. Like it's very irritating when this happens. Like you are writing and it literally stops in between. So it just breaks your flow and I don't like, I get very irritated like this, so I don't use it that much now. Is it working fine in Redmi Pad Pro 5G? Yeah, this tablet is super amazing. Pen including in this tab or buying? Yeah, you have to buy it separately. Like I bought this tablet, like I bought this stylus separately, so it does not come together. Like जो question है ना ये मेरे mind में tablet घर पे आने तक मैंने वो unbox करने तक था. Like I thought stylus would come in that and all, but you have to buy it separately. Hello, सस्ता बढ़िया एक टच पेन सजेस्ट कीजिए Redmi Pro. So I would recommend like okay, I'll tag the link in the description. Check it out. दीदी ये टैबलेट कैसा चल रहा है, अब क्या सही होगा अभी लेना 2026 में, प्लीज़ बता दो, मुझे 5-6 साल तक यूज़ है. सो या आई वुड डेफिनेटली से येस, क्योंकि मैंने भी यही सोच कर ये लिया था क्योंकि मुझे भी एडिटिंग करनी होती है, लेक्चर्स आई हैव टू सी ऑन दिस एंड मैनी मोर थिंग्स, स्टडिंग एंड ऑल. सो मुझे भी ये काफ़ी साल तक यूज़ करना है एंड आई थिंक it is worth buying even in 2026. इसमें updates आते हैं and you can update it again and again, and after updating you see many features again and again. So I would definitely recommend you to buy this in 2026. It's definitely worth it. Someone said but iPad is iPad, so okay, I would definitely say iPad is iPad. I'm not comparing this with iPad, but I would say that this is really good if you don't want to buy an iPad. And cases within the box. So ये जो pen है, as I said, it comes separately. You have to buy it separately. Pen link is in the description. hey girl, could you please provide the link for this? Yeah, the links, all the links of all the products like stylus, cover, tablet, everything is in the description. You can check it out. क्या palm rejection feature है? So yeah, many of you asked this question, palm rejection. So whenever you write with the stylus pen on the tablet, palm rejection feature नहीं है. When you keep your hand like this and you try to write with this, it does not work like this. You have to keep your palm away and then you have to write. Like double touch does not work. Does writing while putting palm on screen support this tablet while using pen? I have the same tablet, but yeah, no, but double touch is not allowed on this. Like you cannot put hand and then write, so no. And I have the same tablet, but I'm planning to buy a pen. So yeah, you can definitely buy this pen, like stylus you can definitely, but I would not recommend you to buy this of this brand. You can definitely check out another ones. Hello ma'am, can you tell me whether this tablet supports Poco Smart Pen or not? I need to check it out. When I was buying a stylus, I took information and all. So there are very few stylus pens which are made for Android, and there are many different pens which are made for different ones. So I think this stylus pen ये Samsung पे work करता है, ये मेरे tablet पे work करता है. So in all the Androids, I think it works in all the Androids. Like हमारे घर में Samsung जो mobiles है, I tried this on all of them, so it works. But on Poco, I cannot say on Poco. I don't know how to order Redmi Pad Pro stylus pen. So you can order it by using the link in the description. Are they looking to buy this? Yeah, battery stays very long. This is excellent. I would say 10 on 10. And heating issues like, but I don't know without cover, but if you use this cover, the heating effects are zero, no heating issues. So you can definitely buy this cover for heat resistance. Can you suggest me best stylus for it? Yeah, definitely. I would tag the link in the description. भी है पेन कितने का मिला आपको बता सकती हूँ क्या? मेरे को भी चाहिए. Yeah, I would tag the link of this stylus too in the description, and again I would suggest you a very best stylus in the description. You can check it out. So overall for the tablet, like as per the price, I would say that this is really good. Should you buy it? Buy it if you want a budget friendly tablet for study or lectures, if battery matters to you. So if you want all of this, you can definitely buy it. But maybe think if you want a better writing experience or you want to make notes on it. So I cannot guarantee you about making notes and all. So think if you want all of this in it. If I missed any of your question, please comment it here again. I'll definitely reply this time. And if you're planning to buy this, make sure you buy the right stylus. Don't buy it just because it looks good. Buy it if it actually works for you. If you still have any doubts, drop them below. I'll answer everything. I hope this video helped you before you buy it and spend your money. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.